can kids attend the 7 Steps to Reprogramming Yourself course? Yes, they can. Kids 17 and under are free. What is the age that a child needs to be to attend the 7 Steps to Reprogramming Yourself course in person? Well, generally, the age of 8 or 9 is where they start to become mature enough to attend the course and really enjoy it. I remember we had a 9-year-old named Victoria take all of our courses, and we have a lot of courses. And she sat and colored the whole time. And I knew she was listening, I knew she was watching. On the very last day of the very last course, I asked her if she'd like to share. We never ask people to share anything, but I just wanted to give her a chance because, you know, she's only 9. And she came up on stage and she got on the microphone and she said, well, what I want to share is that I had a sleepover with my friend. And my friend has a nightlight, but I don't. And so my friend couldn't go to sleep because she's afraid of the dark. So I did the 7 Steps to Reprogramming Yourself with her and erased her fear of the dark, and we went to sleep. Isn't that crazy? Now, I told this story for years, and then this year someone said that she was having a sleepover with her friend's son, and her friend wanted to go home because he was upset and he was afraid. And they were about to call his mom and have her come pick him up and send him home. So he was about 5 or 6, and he wanted to go home, and the daughter, the friend, who's also 5 or 6 years old, said, wait, Mom, don't call his mom yet and send him home. Let me do the 7 steps with him. Yeah. And so these little kids are doing the 7 steps, and they erased all of his upset feelings, and he wanted to stay. So even a child who's younger than 8 can understand and do the 7 steps, but to actually come and sit in the course and take it for all 3 days. I've had 6-year-olds. They're usually very mature and gifted for their age. Generally, age 9 is the best age for someone to be, and sometimes even a little bit older than that, depending on their maturity level. It's fine for them to sit in the course and color or play games. I recommend that they color because they'll be better able to listen and learn everything.